Great news for CSS, PCS, PMS aspirants. Now you can get your essays evaluated for free. All you have to do is to make a small donation to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund for Covid-19. Send your entries to wasc1122em@gmail.com by 10th April 2020. The entries will be dealt within 3 months. Time maximum, this is the time that is allocated because there might be hundreds and thousands of entries expected. Now, how you will be sending your entry, this is one pertinent thing. Complete essay should be typed on MS Word, that is docx or doc file. It can be on any pertinent topic. Right? One entry per person. Details such as name, CNIC, age and place should be mentioned for convenience. The essays will be evaluated and critical review will be given. The panel comprises of the young CSS officers. The essays may be made part of the video lecture as well. Names will not be mentioned. The top essays may be made part of the essay book as well anonymously. Document. How you will be submitting a document. Double space, font size 12 times New Roman. Heading should be of 14 font size. A snapshot of donation made to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund for Covid-19. Donation can be of minimum ₹10. So it's like nearly free. A snapshot that you have subscribed to Maths Genius on YouTube. So you will be sending mainly 3 things, right? First is a document with your credentials, right? Then the essay along with it. Then you will be sending a snapshot of the donation that has been made to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund for Covid-19. It can be of any amount. And a snapshot that you have subscribed to Maths Genius on YouTube. Right? The details of the Prime Minister's Fund is given. So this is the details that has been given on various newspapers and articles. This is the account that has been given. You can look for more. This is the end of the session.